Video, I will explain how to create an auditorium using a software called Blender. This is the Blender software. This is the cube. You can create file new to create a new cube. A new cube is created. Now, I'm going to explain how to create a chair. Let's see how. Click on the object. Press yes to resize the cube. After pressing F, then press X for enlarging the cube in x-axis, then press Y for enlarging the cube in y-axis, then press Z for enlarging the cube in z-axis. Now we have made a space. Now we have to partition the cube we have reduced. For that, press Ctrl R. Sorry, before that, change the width of the edit mode for using or for selecting. Use A for select and deselect. Now then press Ctrl R. Now this is ready for partition. You can make a partition by pressing Ctrl R in all the four sides of this cube we have been assigned. Yeah, now we have partitioned it. Deselect all and change it to face select. Go down, select these four corners pushing shift and select key. Then press E to make a leg for this chair. The leg has been made. Then select this portion. Then press E. Now select. Sorry. Now select this piece. Yeah. Now the chair has been made. Then we have to create an auditorium. Let's see how. For that, take a new cube. As I said before, for creating the rooftop, first press yes, and then X or Y or Z in which axis we want to enlarge the cube. Then change it to edit mode. Then face select. Select this face. Press yes. Then follow the E. Then press E. After that, go to this option and make merge at center. Now the roof has been created. After that, for making wall, let us use the same add cube, move it cube, make this as wall, and place a chair inside that auditorium. Then the auditorium will be looking like this. This is the auditorium, this is the chairs inside auditorium, this is LCD screen, this is the rooftop, this are the walls. After coloring, the auditorium will be looking like this. That's house and the floor in red color. Sorry, the floor is in green color, the chair is in red color with green. Yeah, this is all. Thank you.